She is opening the window. She is opening the window. I am closing the door. I am closing the door. We are watching the sunset. We are watching the sunset. He is reading a storybook. He is reading a storybook. They are sitting on the floor. They are sitting on the floor. I am drinking orange juice. I am drinking orange juice. She is painting the wall. She is painting the wall. We are waiting for our teacher. We are waiting for our teacher. He is wearing a blue shirt. He is wearing a blue shirt. I like to play games. I like to play games. They are walking to school. They are walking to school. She is cleaning the table. She is cleaning the table. We are talking about our plans. We are talking about our plans. He is studying math. He is studying math. I am looking for my phone. I am looking for my phone. She is shopping for clothes. She is shopping for clothes. We are eating pizza. We are eating pizza. He is watching the news. He is watching the news. They are building a sandcastle. They are building a sandcastle. I am learning to write English. I am learning to write English.